Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a syntax highlighter for our assembly language program using Visual Studio 2022. In the previous video we created two programs, as you guys can see here on the left side where we have our open recents. For this video I'm going to click the last one we did, which is add two numbers. Open it up. Now, usually using the previous version of Visual Studios, in the past, we would have done the following. Go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then type in here what we're looking for, which extension we're looking for, which in this case will be ASM, standing for Assembly Language, and then Dude. However, as you guys can see, it's not here. Because we cannot find it here, and there's the problem, the issue that we're having, we're going to go ahead and close this. We're going to go ahead and close Visual Studio 2022. And then we just do a search on our browser. So we just do a search of ASM Dude, D-U-D-E. And we're going to go ahead and click the one down here. Actually, no, this one right here. And then here we're going to go ahead and here it goes. Down here where it says ASM Dude VS 2022. Click here. Okay. Go ahead and click here. Extract all, extract, and then double click, install, okay. The install has been completed. Let's close this. We don't need this one or this one. I'll just minimize it just for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Visual Studio 2022. I'm going to go ahead and open the last program that we did, add two numbers. And there it goes. As you guys can see, now we have our syntax highlighter displaying here or installed for our program. And that's it. Yep. So unfortunately, the way it's supposed, or the way we used to do it, goes to extension, manage extensions. Doesn't work like that. Hopefully there'll be an update later on. And talking about updates, I just noticed something right here. No, everything good? Yep. I think they recognize it. Let me click over here. All right. So as you guys can see, it's installed. So that's good. Let's click updates again. Click here. Oh, okay, there's an update for something else. All right, so for this case, we don't have to worry about this. I don't think we need this right now. But the important thing is this. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good day. Bye.